Oh, what do we have here? Police surprise a squatter after he tries to steal a $3 million mansion.
Jim, just watch out. Looks like two dogs come out from the side of the house.
What the hell?
Hi, puppy. Hi.
Homeless people always got dogs. They be invested in the wrong roof.
Hi. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How you
Good. Homedale Police.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Did you buy this?
Yes.
We had it as an abandoned property, so I just saw the car. I just wanted to check on everything.
Yeah, everything is fine. How did y'all even get in here?
Huh?
Same way you got in here, motherfucker.
How did you even get in here?
Oh, the fence.
Okay.
I'm Chris.
How you doing?
Hey.
Messiah.
Messiah? Pleasure.
All right.
When did you guys buy the property?
I have the paperwork and everything, but how did you even get on my property? I'm trying to figure that out. Y'all jumped the fence?
What? No. Right over there.
We have the combinations to all the lock shit.
Yes, I have all my paperwork and
Okay.
everything, so I would appreciate if y'all just get off the yard.
That's
What?
not going to happen until you prove that this is your place, because we've been dealing with this, and you keep coming back here, so you already know what's going to happen.
Uh-oh.
Yo, you guys are really crazy.
Why?
What are you doing here?
Says the person that's just moving in a random house with no paper, no notification, no nothing, right? You got the broke down car. I've at least invested to a better car. You feel me? And you trying to go squat in a $3 million mansion. I see what he's trying to do, but this is just retarded.
Like
This is
I
just
just told you, like
How
I
did
said.
you even get here?
We have.
Can you turn your body camera on, please?
No, absolutely not. So it's going to stay on.
You said no.
It's already on.
All right, give me a second just to protect.
Well, hold on. Oh yeah, no, it is on. I thought you meant turn it off.
Oh no, I said turn it on.
Oh no, it's definitely on.
Okay, here you go. Let me get my paperwork and everything together. You should just stay right there.
No,
Poor dog.
Hold on. No. Hey. Stop. All right, hold on.
Open the door. Listen, we're either going to have a conversation, or you're going to jail. Open the door.
I'm trying to speak to you.
All right.
My boy said if he gonna be homeless, he gonna be homeless in a nice mansion.
Cut the shit.
Period. I don't want you in my house.
This is not your house.
It is. I have paperwork for this house. And this is. Sir, why would I lie to you?
We've been through this before,
Why would I lie to you?
Did you cut the locks and change them again?
No, I did not.
Because that's what you did last time.
I did not.
Okay.
I have keys,
Oh, he just stole this house before or tried to. Okay.
sir.
Bro said he got a dream.
What's your first name? Is it
My name is
Marquise?
Messiah, sir.
All right, not
Messiah.
I want your
Messiah.
government name.
Messiah, sir. Messiah.
that's-
Messiah. And please stop asking me stupid questions, sir.
I'm not asking you stupid questions. And if you close the door on me one more time, I'm coming in and you're going on the
door
ground.
closed, sir, by yourself.
What is your real
told
name?
You want that?
No, that's
Do you
not
want
even.
that?
That's a made-up ass
Do
name.
you want that?
I want your ID. How about that?
Here you go, sir.
No.
This is my
I want your
ID.
driver's license.
This is my ID.
I want your
This is
driver's
trust.
license.
And if you know anything about trust, I'm federally protected under trust. Sir.
No. We're gonna play
Where do they be coming up with these laws and shit at, bro?
these games, but you already know what the end result's gonna be. You already got kicked out of here once. You already got arrested once, and you keep
Sir,
coming
I
back.
got arrested.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
This is my property.
Yeah. Okay. What'd you pay? $3 for it?
The same thing your parents paid.
Yeah. Okay.
You see juice in here. You see a blower.
But that doesn't mean shit.
See everything.
That means
I live
shit.
here.
That means that you think you live here.
I live here.
Because you got apple juice on the
I
counter?
live here.
Okay.
I live here.
All right. You're a liar. Because I check on this house all the time.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
And I have a UCC one.
Okay.
You will be served.
Okay. Listen,
Playing Call of Code.
I don't even know what that means.
Okay. Just know what that is. Just know what that is.
That doesn't mean anything
Just know
to
what
me.
that is.
It means
Is
nothing
that
to me.
I'm federally protected under
Okay.
trust.
Okay.
And if you
Why, if you federally protected, they couldn't get you a better car?
Prove to me that you own this house. Prove to me you own this house.
take me to court, if you
No.
think I don't.
No.
That's what you're gonna do.
No,
Take me to
no,
court.
I'm going to take you to jail.
There you go, sir. There you go. Take this.
What is this? Notice of claims of adverse interest.
Thank you, sir.
This looks legit.
That is legit. It
Yeah.
got stamps.
This 3 by 3 little thing of light writing looks.
Brother, that's down there. It was recorded. It's recorded, sir. Down there. So if anybody,
I still haven't seen a deed. Where's the deed?
It's
Where's the
coming in
deed to the
mail.
house?
The deed is coming in the mail.
That's what you
sir.
said the last time.
That's what you said the last time.
That looks like a prescription.
Officer is tired of his shit.
That's who's suing you, buddy. You see that name? Yeah. I'm your messiah. And believe that.
Okay.
I will sue the shit out of you.
That's fine. You
Get
can.
off of my property,
No.
please.
No.
Please.
No.
I showed you the paper.
Nope.
This is all I have right now.
That
That's all
means
I have
nothing.
right now, sir. That's
That
all I
means
have.
nothing.
If anything, we gotta go to court. This is a civil matter.
It's not.
It's a civil matter.
No,
and
it's
I
not.
told you what it is.
This is you
This
trespassing.
is a civil matter, and I don't trespass, sir.
Yeah,
I don't
you
trespass.
did already.
I live on the land. I am heir. I am God.
Okay.
I'm a sovereign
Okay.
being.
I know.
Oh, here we go with the sovereign shit. Okay.
I know. That's why.
sovereign.
That's why you're gonna learn
Sovereign.
that that's not how the world works.
Well, you're gonna see.
Okay.
The state doesn't own this property.
No, a bank owns this
No,
property.
no, it doesn't.
Okay.
A bank don't own shit. A bank don't even own money.
That's why.
A bank don't even own money. You f***ing fool.
Okay.
A bank doesn't even own money.
All right. So he can't.
Since
He can't prove
1933.
anything. So
I did prove it.
come on out.
I did prove it. And I'm not coming out.
You're under
1993. So you 33 years old acting like this?
you're under arrest.
This is
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
He's got a knife in his waistband.
Oh, take the knife. Anybody else have?
This ain't jail, Damon. You are not in prison anymore.
Sir.
You're playing these
Guys,
stupid ass
you're on my-
games.
Can you please give me my papers? Sir? Please.
Get him in custody.
I ain't doing nothing, man.
What an idiot.
Stop moving. Stop moving around.
What are you grabbing for? All right, okay. Listen, you gotta stop moving. Stop moving. For what? Stop moving. For what? Stop moving.
Cause your ass going to jail. Stop making this hard.
Can you please just get my stuff, my keys and things? Please. Stop.
Relax.
Bro,
But they about to throw all that shit in the trash.
Daryl,
You know him, so relax.
Daryl.
Relax. Relax.
I'm not doing nothing, bro. Can you
Relax.
get my phone? Can you get my
It's
phone?
right there.
No,
Your phone's right
no,
there.
that's not it. My phone right there, bro.
We'll grab it.
Can you get my phone?
Relax.
You ain't gotta do none of that. Can you get my phone for me, dude?
All right, we'll grab it. We'll grab it. Yes.
Yo, I'm finished.
Yep. Just do me a favor. Just face the car. Just spread your legs.
Bro, what are you? Get your hand out of your pocket. Get your hand out of your pocket. Get your
Relax.
hand out of your pocket. All right,
Unclench your hand.
Listen,
Unclench.
I am. You unclench me. Let me go. This is my stuff. Bro, if you don't let me go, bro.
What the hell?
Relax.
Bro, get off my
He's got a thing.
What I got?
I don't know. I don't know what he's got.
You weirdo.
Relax.
If one may go you down, another can. Hey.
I'm gonna just roll him over.
Yep.
What's in his hand? His hand right here.
Bro, sexual assault. Sexual assault.
Nuts and butt is crazy.
Sexual assault. Sexual assault. I got that. I got his legs. Sexual assault. Sexual assault. Sexual assault.
I got it.
Damn, he got to put his knee on his head.
Medical treatment. I need medical treatment. Can you please get off of me? This is unnecessary. I'm already handcuffed. Can you please get off of me?
Oh, you kept reaching
can't
over.
breathe.
You didn't listen to me.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Okay.
I can't breathe. Oh my god.
Dude, stop fighting.
I ain't doing nothing, bro. That's
All
all.
right, I got him clenched on this side, so I
Y'all
can
is
let him go.
tripping. You play football.
You got him clenched. Pause. Wait a minute.
Roll him this way.
You play football.
You come out from under there.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is crazy. Hell no.
All you had to do was listen, man.
I'm telling you, y'all f***ed up.
There's dog shit everywhere. I know that because I can smell it.
You guys go up. We're gonna stay here on this first floor, all right?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh. I want to be rich. I ain't gonna lie though. I would have to do if I was to buy an abandoned mansion. I would have to do some redecorating because this shit is ugly. I would have to fix some things up.
Oh my god, he's.
But
a
it's beautiful,
joke,
though.
This guy. He's got a mattress up here. Look, you got dog piss everywhere. Oh, it's
Home the police.
Good, I'm gonna go over here.
Jesus, this place is huge. Indoor pool? Damn.
This guy really thinks he owns his house.
It's nice.
How do you open the elevator?
They got an elevator in this motherfucker. How many cars can you put in there? Jesus Christ. What was this room for?
I'm just trying to figure out why y'all keep coming here.
It is a police matter right now.
Y'all here.
We come here on our own.
Y'all just come here and
That's it.
pull up
Yeah.
and just harass people?
That's it. So is this his car, do you know, or is that your car?
No, that's my car. I'm coming to get my car.
That's your car? You have the keys for it? You have the keys on you? Okay. Can I just see your license? Make sure you have a valid driver's license.
Ah, he got warrants too. Look, he want to talk shit.
You drive the car, right?
No, he's driving the car.
Okay. So if it's your car, it's in your name? Okay, that's commercial.
Not my name.
Okay. So I'll need your ID, and if you're going to drive the car, I'll need your ID as well, sir.
No, you don't. Yeah, we do. No, you don't.
Okay, you're not.
Oh, y'all going to jail then?
You're not getting the car.
I'll get my car.
Sir,
Let's get over there.
sir, this isn't your property.
This is my car.
Okay.
This is my car.
So let me see your ID to prove that it's your car.
You see that name on here? See the name on the thing?
There's no name on the car. Your name's on the car?
Go look at that name on there.
Your name's Zippy?
Who owns Zippies?
I don't know.
Yeah, look it up. It'll tell you
I
exactly who
don't know.
owns it.
Just show me your license.
You want to know what's going on?
What's your name, sir?
We'll get you out of here. Very simple. Just give us your license and we'll get you out of here. You don't need to run my license. I do need to. No, you don't need to run my license. You need to see that I got a valid license. That's it. You need to see I got a valid license. That's all you need to see. What's your name, sir? See that? That's all you need to see. I got a valid license.
No. How are we supposed to tell that it's a valid license?
Sir, if you don't how
are we supposed to tell that's a valid license by looking at that?
It got a date right there. You see the date? The date shows exactly what it is. You know exactly what it is. No, we don't. The date shows exactly what it is. That's a valid license. How can it be a valid license if you're not doing it? You're trying to be a dickhead and you want to lock me up because you want to see if I got a warrant. Here you go, sir. Go write my name and then give me my car because I don't have a warrant. Okay. Go get my shit. Okay.
Damn, what's his problem? Fuck.
My face, nigga. Retarded.
Why do you think we're harassing
Because
your
I
brother?
hate cops. Because y'all niggas just harass people. Y'all just hate y'all.
Fine, but why
I
do you
hate
think we're
y'all.
harassing your brother?
Because y'all harass people. You don't even have a reason to be here.
Yes, he do, bro. He's staying in a house that's not his, bro. You part of the problem.
Don't belong to you neither. Is your name on this paper? No, it's
No, but the bank called the police probably to let them know.
a civil matter. It ain't your matter. It's between him and the person who owned that house. It ain't you.
Yeah, it's the bank that
ain't
owns
you.
it. It's the bank that owns it.
Is it the bank or is it?
No, but we have the.
It ain't the bank. It's the people whose name is on that trust. And then they took the bank is trying to take it from them. And my brother's trying to take it from the bank.
but we're
So they're all
responsible
on a
to
whole civil matter that y'all have nothing to do with it.
Oh yeah. He's the problem. He the one that probably the one that talked to his brother and doing this goofy shit.
Keep the property secure until it's rectified.
It's a civil matter that they have going on that y'all have nothing to do with.
Unfortunately, that's not right. That's not correct. All right. Your brother's in a house that does not belong to him. There's no legal right to be in it.
Don't belong to nobody. See what it look like? Nobody live here. No more than nobody.
Well, your brother was in it today. Right.
Because he got paperwork that shows that he could be in it. Just
From who?
y'all,
From who?
From the government. The people that gave him the paper that he paid for when he went down there and gave it to them and said, here go my money. And they said, here goes your paper.
Right.
That's what they did.
Yeah,
He never did that shit. I can bet you that.
that's not a legal document.
That's what they paid him for.
The suspect was charged with felony counts of armed burglary, theft, trespassing, criminal mischief, making threats towards law enforcement, and tampering with official records.
What an idiot.
He was also charged with misdemeanor counts of obstruction and disorderly conduct.
39 doing this. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.